Hey guys, it's Kinsley with 1845 Barndominiums. Welcome back to the Barndo channel and happy Thanksgiving to all of those watching. This week, we're bringing back one of our most popular builds ever, the Macy Barndominium. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath Barndominium at about 1,700 square feet, and one of the most popular features of this build is our carport breezeway attached to the shop. This is a 25 by 25 foot carport that leads right into a 25 by 30 foot shop. This home is complete with a charcoal gray exterior and black roof and trim, which is one of our most popular combos yet. So before we get inside for our final tour, I want to remind you that if you or anyone you know are interested in building a home with 1845 Barndominiums, you can visit us at 1845barndominiums.com for more information. Now let's get inside and see the Macy. Alright guys, so as we enter into our Macy Barndominium here, you can see that we've got this really nice open concept here that we see in a lot of our homes. This is actually a Loretto floor plan, and we do have a lot of different variations of our Loretto floor plan. We offer some with different closet sizes, different closet styles, alternate primary configurations. We also have some mirrored flip options on our website. But this one represents more of a traditional Loretto style home. And that's really the beauty with 1845 Barndominiums, is that you are able to customize or modify any floor plan of your choosing however you see fit. So this one, the kitchen opens directly into a spacious living area, creating this large open concept that makes this floor plan so popular. This space spans up to about 25 feet, which gives our homeowners a really wide and airy living environment. As we move into the kitchen, we can see that we've got our shaker style cabinetry, and then we've also got some really nice under cabinet lighting that adds a really good modern touch to this home. So I really like the contrast of kind of rustic feel with all of our wood here, and then our nice clean whites and blacks and lighting to give us that modern feel with the rustic feel as well. And then here we're gonna also have some glass front upper cabinets. The homeowners worked directly with our cabinet installer to customize a blend of drawers and shelving that suited their needs. So it really turned out nicely and goes along well with our full tile backsplash that wraps the entire kitchen. And then just off to the side here is our pantry, which includes matching countertops, shaker cabinetry, and stained wood shelving that ties in with the case openings and beam in the living room. Once again, keeping consistent with our wood tones and kind of rustic vibes here. The main cabinets are finished in white and the island is painted black. So we have that really nice modern black and white look going on. You can see above our undermount kitchen sink here, we have some floating shelves and a matching full glass 8-foot door near the kitchen that leads to our back porch. So this is all consistent once again with our vaulted ceiling beam, and this is really just creating a warm, cohesive look throughout the entire main space of our home. So as we move over to the guest side of the house and enter into our second bedroom, you can see that we're keeping it consistent with our kind of lighter gray colored walls. And then we have a beautiful black door here that pairs well with our white trim. A really nice sized closet over here with upper and lower hanging rods and a nice corner shoe cubby. As we move over into our third bedroom, you can see we also have a single window, the same kind of style trim, but we do have a different color, which is a bit of a darker gray in here. And this third bedroom does feature a little bit of a different closet layout with some nice central placed cubbies and then some upper and lower hanging rods and overhead shelving. When we build, we walk homeowners through these decisions in-house and on-site so that we're making sure all of your customizations are fitting your needs exactly as planned. And then as we move over into the guest bathroom, you can see the guest bath includes a large vanity with our shaker style cabinets and drawers. We've got our black hardware, and then we've got a molded cultured marble sink and countertop that includes a 4-inch backsplash. The tub is also molded cultured marble, and the shower surround is built from the same material. And then behind our door here, you can see we've got some additional stained wood shelving, and that matches once again with the rest of the wood in the home. So as we leave the guest side of the house and go across the living area, you can see straight ahead we have our mechanical room, these gorgeous black doors that just look really nice with the living space of the house. And we've also included a fresh air intake mounted above the full-size door. This was a small adjustment our HVAC team had to make to meet the homeowner's request for larger door openings. Overall, it turned out really great, and once again, those customizations are usually no problem. We want to do whatever is best to fit your needs. And then coming into our primary room here, we've got another single window. Once again, this lets in plenty of lighting, and this was just done to match the aesthetics of the exterior of the house. The primary bathroom features double vanities. Once again, we have those same modern lit up vanities that I like so much. This pairs really well with our shaker style cabinetry, our black hardware here, and it is all separated by a really nice tall linen cabinet that creates a good visual divide between the two sinks. There is also an open toilet area and a really nice large cultured marble shower that includes a pony wall, which can later be fitted with a glass panel or glass door if the homeowners choose. And then above our shower here, we have a nice fixed window that's going to let in a lot of natural lighting, and the homeowners opted for a standard shower head rather than the rain head. So we've got our standard shower head here as well. And then directly across from our toilet, we've got the primary closet, which includes upper and lower hanging rods with shoe cubbies organized to match the homeowner's preferred layout. Now, just off of our kitchen here is our laundry and mudroom, which includes a folding table with matching countertops, stained wood shelving, our washer and dryer connections with a recessed dryer vent, and space for an additional refrigerator or storage area. A single window in here adds a lot of nice natural lighting to the room, and a door leads directly out to the 25 by 25 two-car carport that connects the home to the shop. Alright guys, and that wraps up the final tour of our Macy Barndominium. Make sure you spend lots of time with your family today. Happy Thanksgiving. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can catch us next time on the Barndo channel.